What's up? Look at these two polar bears. They are massive and they are so cute. We love them so much. These are our English cream retriever pups. They are both going home here soon, but I wanted to just introduce them to you. One of them is headed to Charlotte, North Carolina, and the other one is headed to Burbank, California. Their families are the luckiest. These guys have the sweetest personality, chill, content. They are doing so great. They're sleeping through the night in their crates. They're potty trained on the doggy door, and they are just sweet as sugar. Aren't they the cutest?
这么小就开始干架了，看，你看，打起来，哎呦，还不示弱了，你看还得过来，还得咬。
人家看那个还在那躺着，就趴着一点不动。
哎。
Hi, puppy. Wanna play? Yes, good boy. Up you go. I love you. Hey, cutie. Wanna play? Go get it. Yay, good puppies. Hey, little puppy. Wanna play? Look, a friend is here. Yay, tumble time.
Bom balik tan bom saat kelang maintain bom semain cetak ni maintain makrab room terah room pijuan ini super VIP tan menang bom oi saat kelang maintain bom semain cetak ni bom ban mui ni tới គឺថាគ្រប់ទឹកតែម្ដងដូចបានមាសប្រព័ន្ធដងទុំអញ្ចឹងបងអើយស្អាតខ្លាំងមែនតើបងពពក VIP នៅក្នុងភ្នំពេញដល់គឺអញ្ចឹងបងស្អាតគឺស្អាតអញ្ចឹង